Hey guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you could stop Windows from automatically downloading and installing updates. If you find it annoying or you don't need it anymore, then this video will show you how to do it for unlimited time, and the updates, installation, download will not work until you go back and you turn it on. To do that, you need to go to Services. In the search tab you type services and you click on run as administrator. Once done, you want to click anywhere and you press the letter W in your keyboard and you keep going till you reach Windows Update. As you have it selected, regardless if it's the status is running or not, you just double click on this Windows Updates. If it doesn't work for you, then just make sure that it's selected, click with the right button of the mouse and select Properties. Once there, make sure that you are in General. Startup type, we will click on it to select Disable. We will click Stop so that the updates are stopped, and you click Apply. Once done, you click OK, and the updates, they have been disabled and turned off until you go back and you turn them on again.